Welcome to In 5 Minutes. Now let's write a program to count number of vowels in a given string. Now we know what our vowels are. If a character is a e, I, o, u, then it's a vowel. Obviously it can be either uppercase a, e, I, o, u or it can be lowercase a, e, I, o, u. So we have to input a string, then move through a string using some index variable, and then if any ith character is a vowel, that is lowercase a, e, I, o, u or uppercase a, e, I, o, u, then increment the counter. Finally, when the string is checked, we have to output the counter. So the program logic is a bit easy because it's completely a program of writing a loop, some index variable, some counting variable, input a string, output the counter. Now let's see the entire program. First, we'll obviously define an array to hold a string size 50. So it's an array of size 50, A0 to A49. Then we'll introduce I variable as an index, that is looping variable, V as a vowel counter set to 0. Then we'll input a string. Suppose the input string was India. When you press enter, it will be accepted into the character array as I, N, D, I, A, and then null character stored at the end automatically. So out of 50 characters, 6 characters are filled up with actual string. Like the actual string is up to index 4 only. Now we have to move through a string using some index variable I set to 0. Keep moving through the string till null character is found and keep counting the character if it's a vowel. Now for that we'll be writing a loop that starts with index I set to 0 while the ith character is not null. Keep moving forward with I++. So I'll become 0, then 1, 2, 3. At a of 5 there will be null character and the loop will stop. Every ith character you have to check whether it's a vowel or not using OR operator like this. If a of I is lowercase a or e or I or o or u or uppercase a or e or I or o or u, then you have to increment the counter, that is v, you have to increment by 1. And then I has to always increment to go to next character. And then finally we need to output the vowel count, that is v. Now actually the program is very easy. Till now we have done so many string problems and array problems. It is just based on that only. Still we'll go through it once. From here we'll start. String is already input. I is set to 0. V is also set to 0. Then the loop will start. A0 is not null, true. So it checks for is a of I lowercase a, e, I, o, u or uppercase. So it is one of them is true. Here it is true. So V will change to 1. Again I goes forward, I becomes 1. A1 is not null, while is true. Enters the loop, checks for is AI, that is A1, A, E, I, O, U lowercase or A, E, I, O uppercase. It is not because it is N. So counter will not increment. I'll become 2. Checks for is A2 not null, true. Now it will check for is A2, that is D between A2. Is it out of A, E, I, O, U or uppercase A, E, I, O, U? It is not. So again counter will not increment. I will move to 3 by I++. Condition is true. It checks for is A of 3, that is A of I, A, E, I, O, U lowercase or uppercase. It is true. This time vowel increments to, vowel count increments to 2. Again I++, I goes to 4. The condition is again true. Checks for if is it between A, E, I, O, U or uppercase A, O, U. Yes, it is true. So vowel count becomes 3. Again I++ occurs. I becomes 5. This time while condition is false and the loop stops, and the printf next to it will print vowel count is equal to 3. Thank you.